Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use calculator on Redmi A5. So to use the calculator, you should go to the tools, as you can see, and you will find the calculator there. You have just to click on it, and as you can see, you can use your calculator from here to whatever you want and whatever you need. And you can also use scientific calculator. It's available also, or normal calculator. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.